Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you animate your photos on reface.ai. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So go over to this website and go over to Animate here. And once done with that, you just have to drop your content here. So let's choose a random one here. So let's go over here and try this out. So let's choose another one if that does not work. So let's try this one. So in here, you just have to go over and choose a template that you want. So let's choose a random one here. This one or this one. And let's click on Animate. So as you can see, if we have a sound, let's put on a sound here.
This is Sparta!
So as you can see, it is very useful, guys, and you can replace your image if you want, but that will uh, take over your two tokens or your tokens. So you just have to top up here and buy tokens if you want. And this will be worth it, guys, because this website and AI is very useful. So okay, guys, once done with that, you can download your video here.
This is Sparta!
And there, guys. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.